It's almost been 6 months, so it's time to show you my new curly hair routine that will have your hair going from this to looking like this. The first step is hopping in the shower and getting my hair wet so I can apply some curl safe shampoo. I use this one from AG Care, but there are plenty of other great options out there, so I'll make sure to leave some in the description below. Shampoo is going to get rid of all the dirt and gross oils from your hair, but it's important you're not doing this more than 3 times a week. If not, you run the risk of drying out your hair. Also, you should look into getting a sulfate-free shampoo. Now, you really want to make sure you're getting a good lather going so you know you're getting clean. When it's time to rinse, I'd recommend doing this with cold water. Although this sounds insane, this prevents damage and allows your curls to get much tighter. Now, this is only step 1, and to unlock the full potential of your curls, you'll want to stick around for the next 6 because each one will get you 1 step closer to perfect curls. Now that my hair is clean, it's time to add some moisture back with my favorite conditioner. Again, I'll leave some other great recommendations down below. You really want to make sure that every part of your hair is covered with conditioner. And now it's time to stop because this is where most guys mess up at and rinse the product out. It's crucial that you're allowing the conditioner to sit in your hair anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes because the longer you allow your conditioner to soak, the more benefits your hair will receive from the product. I do this part of my routine around 5 times a week. During the time the conditioner is in my hair, I usually like to do step 3, which is detangling my curls. I prefer to do this while the conditioner is in my hair because it makes it much easier to detangle with minimal to no breakage. Finally, it's time to rinse this conditioner out, which means the next step is obviously to dry my hair, but definitely not with one of these rough bath towels. Instead, I like to use this soft microfiber towel because it's a lot more gentle on my curls. Of course, if you're on a budget, you can just use an old t-shirt, and no joke, both of those options are much better than using one of these bath towels. When drying, make sure not to be rough, you just want to crunch it up like this. I'm only drying till my hair is damp, not fully dry, because once it's damp, it's time to move on to the next step, which is applying my styling product. Today, I'm going for a wet look, so I'm going to be using this mousse gel from AG Care. Once again, make sure you're covering your whole head in product, and to ensure it's evenly coated in my hair, I like to run my detangling comb through my hair once again. I just want to shake it up and crimp it a little bit so them curls come back. But now it's time to move on to step number 6. And since I hate having my hair dry on top of my forehead, I got this headband right here, and I like to put it around my neck just like this and use it to get my curls out of my face for the next 20 minutes so it can air dry a little bit more. I prefer air drying the rest of the way because it fully prevents frizz, and for my looser hair texture, always has my curls on point. Now guys, 20 minutes later, this is how my hair looks. This is definitely not the finished product because we have just one more step to do. For step number 7, and to get the final look, you're gonna wanna scrunch up your curls. Scrunching up your hair like this is gonna give that shine, that volume, and really just that healthy look that everybody really wants for their hair. As you can see, after completing step 7, my hair looks totally different, and this is the final product. Now, if this video helped you in any way, make sure to subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Peace.